Today we're going to be looking at this strategy here. With the help of ChatGPT 4.0, we're going to be coming up with a trading strategy and backtesting the buy-sell signals on TradingView. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where we go through profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking at another profitable trading strategy brought to us with the help of ChatGPT. This time I'm going to be using the new model of 4.0 that will help us to design a trading strategy. I will then use the code to backtest it so we can see whether or not it is any good. If that sounds something good to you, why not subscribe to the channel? I do videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday about profitable trading strategies on TradingView. And while you're down there, if you don't mind giving the video a good old like, it really does help to grow our community, so thank you very much. You will also find links to a huge bonk giveaway which I'm doing currently at the moment, so don't miss that whilst you're looking at the trading strategies on davidtech.com. Right, let's get over to the computer. Let's have a look at what ChatGPT suggests us to backtest today. Right, let's go. Okay, so here I am on my screen. As you can see, we're going to be using the NNFX model. We've fed in to the new model all of the indicators from the NNFX Stonehill indicators library, and then we've asked ChatGPT to come up with a trading strategy on the 1 hour time frame. Today it's suggested that we use these indicators here, but I will go through and add them all to my charts so you can see. So we're going to be using the Kaufman Adaptive Moving Average for our baseline, these two indicators here for our trend confirmation, a volume indicator or a volatility indicator, and ATR for make stops and take profits. So that sounds like a plan to me. Let's get over to the charts and see what those indicators look like on TradingView. Okay, so the first indicator that we're going to be adding is the Karma, which is this one here by David Tech. Do remember guys, I have a full list of free indicators just here for TradingView. Go up to the top of davidtech.com and you can find all of the indicators that we're talking about here today in this humongous list of free and open source indicators by David Tech. Right, once you've clicked on them, you can add them to your favorites and then they'll pop up in your list on TradingView. I already have it here, Karma at David Tech, which is the Kaufman Adaptive Moving Average. As you can see here, it gives us a green and red line. When price is above it, we're going to be looking for longs, and when price is below this line, we're going to be looking for shorts. We would also expect the line to be green for our long signal and red for our short signal. Okay, the next indicator that we're going to be adding is the STC, which is this one here. I don't have one on David Tech, so you can go onto this one here, which is absolutely brilliant. It is the shaft trend cycle indicator. We're going to add that to our charts. So the STC is very, very simple. Like most indicators, we have one single line and all we're looking for is price to be below these levels here. So I'm going to go very quickly and make those levels a little bit darker so you can see them on YouTube. Okay, that's much better. So when looking for longs, we're expecting the STC to be above this upper band here, and we're also looking for it to be green. When price is below this band, we're looking for shorts, and we're expecting the STC to be red. So as you can see here, we would have had a perfect entry around this candle just here, which would have been absolutely perfect as an entry for this pump just here, giving us almost 7% pump. Fantastic. Right, now we will need another confirmation indicator. We're going to be using the Arun indicator here, which is the default one by TradingView just here. We're going to click on that and we're going to make a couple of changes very quickly just to the colors. The upper Arun we're going to be turning into green, and the Arun down we're going to make it red. Okay, the only thing we need to know about this indicator is when we're looking for longs, we expect the green to be above the red, and when we're looking for shorts, we're looking for the red to be above the green. And that's it. Very, very simple. So as you can see, this would have confirmed our entry that we were talking about just here. We have green above red. We have our STC in green as well. And we are trading above the baseline. For our volatility indicator, and one of the final indicators we're going to be adding for the entries, we're going to be adding the Waddah Attar. The Waddah Attar Explosion version 2 is the one we're going to be using just here. You can use that one or the one from LazyBear. They're pretty much the same anyway. Now let me make a couple of changes very, very quickly to this as well. Okay, for our entry, all we need for the Waddah Attar is for the candles of this histogram to be above that white line and the corresponding colors. So when we're looking for longs, we're looking for a green candle to be above the white line. And when we're looking for shorts, we're looking for a red candle to be above that line. That just means that we have enough volatility inside the market for us to take our entries. Okay, that is the plan so far. As you can see, this entry still stands, which is great. We're going to get into a long on the following candle. Our entry would be just here, and then we're going to add the ATR bands by David Tick just here for our take profit and stop loss. We're going to set the ATR bands to a reasonable 3 on the upper and the lower multiplier. Then we're going to set our stop loss to the ATR band below, and we're going to be looking for a risk to reward on this trade of 1.3. Boom, there you go. We have a perfect win there of 3.41% taken from the market. If we would hit the stop loss, it would have been 2.62%. What a brilliant trade. Looks like an absolutely great strategy. I'm going to go away now and code this so we can backtest it all the way back to 2020 and see how it would have performed on BTC USDT on the 1 hour time frame. Right, let's go.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Guys, before I go over to the backtesting results, I'd love to share with you our brand new site where you can copy bot all of the trading strategies that you can see on David Tick. There's a wonderful Excel spreadsheet which I shared in a video before where you can see all of the strategies, or you can scroll through them here on our website. Simply click on a trading strategy that's interesting to you, and you can see all of the backtesting and forward testing results. You can see how it's trading currently on market conditions and how it's performed in previous data. If it's a trading strategy that you are interested in, you can press copy bot here, and within a couple of clicks you can copy it over to Bybit. And whilst I'm talking about Bybit, Bybit has a huge giveaway at the moment. Don't forget to use the links in the description below, as you will get huge bonuses, and you also get reductions on fees, which is exclusive to David Tick, which is a huge edge on the market. I can't push it enough. Real edge for us. Thank you very much, Bybit. Look forward to seeing you all on there. Right, let's go over to those backtesting results. Okay, here we are back on TradingView. Drum roll, please. Boom! Right, okay guys, off the bat, I can tell you that this certainly is not one of my favorite trading strategies. Neither to code, neither to find the best settings. It was quite hard to optimize, but that's not to mean that the elite backtesters won't do a much better job than I do. But here are the results as we can see. We have a net profit of 994%. 636 trades, which is a huge number, which is amazing. We have a win rate of 47% and a profit factor of 1.24. The max drawdown was 34%, which I consider well over what I would like to trade myself, but maybe if you lowered the leverage, you can actually get that a little bit further down. In comparison to the buy and hold, we would have actually only just about beat the market, which is a bit of a red flag for me as well. When you look at the buy and hold, there was even periods where the Bitcoin was pumping a lot better, but we didn't go through this humongous drawdown that you would have done on Bitcoin. So yeah, it is what it is. Unfortunately, wasn't the best trading strategy. Seems okay. I'm still going to put it into our spreadsheet, which you'll be able to find down in the description below, to see whether it really performs as well or performs better on live markets than it has on backtesting. Hope you enjoyed that one, guys. A bit of a Wednesday video for you. Don't forget the bonk competition down below in the description, and to take a peek at the spreadsheet, you'll be able to see all of the trading strategies from the elite backtesters. As always, guys, been a pleasure with you. Look forward to seeing you on Friday. Take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Friday. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.